Fujifilm 700 series endoscope. Firstly, we take out the clean cap from the pouch. You always need to make sure the cap connects with the water bottle tightly. We equip our valves on the endoscope. This is the air water valve we put on the endoscope, and this is the suction valve we put on the endoscope. We put on the biopsy valve on the endoscope. So firstly, we cover the hole on the air water valve with one finger and see a lot of bubble come out from the water. It means there is air come out from the endoscope. Then we press the air water valve. We see the water come out from the distal end of the endoscope. So we see there is quite large quantity of water come out. Then we press the suction valve to see how quick to suck the water from the cup. So it sucks the water quite quickly. It means our clean cap and valve system, all of them worked well.